na na. Hey, na na na.
Yeah, this is Busy Signal, and guess what? I'm gonna be live performing in Kenya, Nairobi, Kenya, KICC grounds. You know the thing set. Panari Hotel, big up. You know the thing go. Hometown Limousine. You know the something go. We have to say big respect to everyone.
A different vibe is in the air. Reggae music again. One more night. Give me just one more night. Girl, one more night. 'Cause I can't live without you. Highest grades we blaze. Martin Luther black. Malcolm X black. Marcus Garvey black. Barack Obama black. Hello baby, can you come over? Right now loneliness taking over. Me need you tonight, I'm in lover. Come warm me up under the cover.
It's the anniversary of the 33rd anniversary. Sasha Mani, yeah, and we're there to represent. This is Busy Signal, the 3rd president. Gonna be there live with the band. Kenya, Nairobi, yeah, KICC ground. And big up all the sponsors and everybody who's a part of this greatness. I'm awaiting just to be there to represent for Kenya. Yeah. Martin Luther Black Hotel. Kenya, Nairobi, everything like.